Oh, God. Oh, thank God today is over. I've been sneezing like this all day. But, as I established earlier today, I am not getting sick. I'm not getting a cold. I don't have time to get a cold. I don't have space to get a cold. I don't have any time to be sick this week. Therefore, I must be allergic to something. That's the only explanation. Because no time to be sick. It's the very beginning of exam week. And I have like 10 exams to get through. I can't be sick. I could get sick at the end of this week, but not now. I'm sneezing a lot. That's true, but it's just my allergies. It's just my allergies. Honest. And I have a sore throat, but that's from sneezing so much. It rips your throat, you know that. We all know that. It doesn't necessarily mean sickness, because I'm not sick. I don't have time. I'm coughing a bit. That's that's true. But, coughing's just because my throat's sore. Because of my allergies. See? I'm not sick. I do have a bit of a headache, but that's also, sneezing so much. Hurts your head after a while, you know? Ugh. Ugh. Alright. So, since I'm not sick, it's time to go back to studying. I have my chemistry exam tomorrow. So I'll just do some studying on that. And it'll all be okay. Because I'm not sick. Don't have time. Don't have time. I'll bring my tissues with me, though, just in case. Because, my allergies. Those are acting up, definitely. But I'm not sick. Oh, I hate chemistry. God, it's cold in here. Why does it suddenly feel so cold? It's not a sign of me being sick that I just suddenly got cold, that I've been chilled all day. Because it's just, it's winter time. It's winter, and it's cold out. So it makes sense that I'd get cold every once in a while, you know? It doesn't mean I'm sick. It doesn't mean I have a cold or anything like that. It just means it's cold out. Not that I have a cold. And my oh, God. And the fact that my muscles are aching a little bit, and I'm sore and everything, and I feel just like drained and I have no energy. That's not from a cold either or anything. That's just that, I've been. Oh no. It's just that I've been, working a lot on exams and studying a lot, and so my body's just tired and yeah, that's it. And I don't know, maybe I went to the gym more often than usual last week, and that's why all my muscles are sore. Because it's definitely not because I'm sick. And I don't look. And I know I look a little bit flushed, but that's not for being sick either. That's just that I am. Well, because of how cold it is outside, when it's that cold, sometimes when it hits your skin, it makes it all makes it look like you have a sunburn. That's all it is. I don't have flushed cheeks. I don't have a fever or anything like that. I just have, you know, cold burn. I don't know if that's what it's called, but it's just cold burn. I don't have a cold. I'm not sick. I don't have time to be sick. And I'm going to keep telling my body that, and I promise you it's going to listen. Ugh. Ugh. I think I might be sick.